Myself, Sarojit. I'm a BTech third year student of IIIT Jabalpur. I just have completed my summer internship at Bennett University under leadingindia.ai with my team members Kruti and Shubham under the mentorship of Mr. Tejalal Chaudhary sir. We have done a project titled A Lightweight CNN Model for Bird Species Classification. Bird species classification is purely based on the image classification and is one of the fast growing field because everything is based on the classification. Everywhere we uses this. We have worked on three models: VGG16, ResNet 50 and MobileNet. I have worked on the VGG16 model. VGG16 is a convolutional neural network model consists of 16 layers, 13 convolutional layer and 3 fully connected layer with filter size 3x3 followed by the 2x2 max pooling. I have preprocessed the data using image data generator and build and trained the CNN model, and in the last I applied fine tuning to the base model. My model has given 99% accuracy in prediction of finding the bird species. And in the last part, I have deployed the model on the web using the Flask.
Good morning everyone. Hi, I am Shubham Arunbhujan. I worked with leadingindia.ai at Bennett University for 6 months under the guidance of Tejalal Chaudhary sir. We developed a low-weight bird species classification model. Firstly, we took the data and image pre-processing was done on the data, which include normalization. We also read the data and the label image. The next step was building the model. I personally worked on ResNet 50 model. We built the model various such as VG16, ResNet and MobileNet. The accuracy of ResNet 50 model was 85%. After that, we also applied techniques such as pruning and fine-tuning for optimal performance of the model on deployment part. After that, we deployed the model on the web using the Flask technique. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Kruti Panchal. I am third year student of Computer Science and Engineering at Charusat University. I have just completed 6-week summer internship at Bennett University under Leading India AI. Our project is to classify the bird species into 200 classes using convolutional neural network. We have implemented transfer learning for that and have pre-trained 3 models: VGG16, ResNet and MobileNet, out of which I have worked on MobileNet model. MobileNet has advantages over other models as it is small in size, approximately 7 MB, and is trained over 3 to 4 million parameters. It contains the initial fully convolutional layer with 32 filters. After that, there are 19 residual bottleneck layers. It is suitable for mobile application. So MobileNet version improves the state of art of wide range of its performance point. So MobileNet gives accuracy of around 95% for validation set, and the model is deployed using Flask application. So all of this work is done by my team in this 6-week period. Thank you.